Hey friends, Adam Hammer here, Chief Investment Officer at Hammer Financial Group in Lockport, New York and Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Hope that this video finds you well. Well, it looks like the bears have temporarily come back to Wall Street. We've had about a 10% pullback since August, and we're still working our way through some short-term weakness here in October. With that said, we are entering a very historically bullish period in the market. For those of you who may not be aware, the fourth quarter, October, November, December, typically the best time for investors to make money. And we are in the fourth quarter and coming up on the best time of the year historically. So we will certainly keep an eye on that and hope that the market performs the way that we'd like it to. With that said, I thought it would be appropriate to make this announcement, which some of you may find of value, which is this, that Paul and I have recently published a new book called Learn Investing Now, How You Can Create an Effective Strategy in a World of Inflation, Volatility, and War. And the reason that Paul and I published this book in big part was the financial advice that people get in the media from cable news, newspapers, very biased, a lot of fear mongering, a lot of apocalyptic headlines. And if you get that type of financial information from those sources, you'll probably just, crawl up in the fetal position and hide underneath your desk the whole day. It's just a lot of poor advice in our opinion. And so we wanted to write a book that was very clear, concise, helpful, and, no fluff, right down to what do the stats say, what do the graphs say, what does history say, and to just share with you a idea from the book that you might find of value that you probably don't hear too much on television is this right here. This graph that you're looking at, a bar graph, this is the S&P 500 going back from 1980 to 2022. And you can see in those years, take a look, annual returns were positive in 32 of 42 years. That means the market, the S&P 500, was positive 75% of the time. Certainly, if you watch the news, you wouldn't believe that. And that's kind of a key idea, that one of the reasons you might want to consider yourself a bull, or at least be optimistic about the U.S. stock market, is the market long-term trend is usually up. Now, granted, there are some gray bars here where there was some drops, and the market does go down. There's certainly no guarantee, but history has shown us that generally the market trend is moving higher. And that is important information to know if you are an investor, particularly if you are a long-term investor. And you probably didn't hear that on the news, but you did hear it from me, and you will get more of this type of information in the book. Now, this book is selling on Amazon, but being a loyal friend or client of Hammer Financial, you can get this book totally free. Just respond to this email, and I will send you a digital copy, and you can read it for your pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it of value. Hope you find the book of value. And I will see you on another video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.